In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bollinger OTT Spread in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market and any time frame is fine, so just pick the chart you usually work with. Once you're on that chart, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is where you can add all of your technical tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators, and that will open up the Indicators and Strategies window. Inside this window, you'll see different tabs and categories, but to keep things simple, we're going to go straight to the search bar. Click on the search box at the top of the Indicators window. This is where you can type the name of any indicator you want to add, instead of scrolling through a long list. Now, in that search box, start typing Bollinger OTT Spread. Type it carefully, so TradingView can find the correct script. As you type, you should see a list of matching indicators appear below the search field. Look through that list for the one named Bollinger OTT Spread. When you see it, hover over it for a second, just to confirm the exact name matches what you're looking for. Once you've confirmed you've got the right indicator, click on it one time. TradingView will automatically add it to your active chart. You should immediately see the Bollinger OTT Spread plotted on your screen. Depending on how the script is designed, you might notice bands, lines, or a spread visualized over your price data. At this point, it's a good idea to customize it for your own style. On the chart, move your cursor over the indicator's name at the top left, then click on the settings icon next to it. This opens the settings panel where you can adjust inputs like length, source, or any custom parameters the creator provided. You can also switch to the Style tab to change colors, line thickness, and visibility, so the indicator stands out clearly against your candles. If you want to keep using this setup in the future, consider saving your chart layout once everything looks good. That way, every time you open TradingView Pro, your Bollinger OTT Spread will already be loaded and ready to go. And if you don't have TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more features and a smoother experience, check out the affiliate link in the description to get started with a Pro account.